Hello and welcome to another episode of the Tandem Trail. Today, we take the Rampart Ridge Road Trail and we have one other device with us, not just Roger as the main one, which is our Lexus LX470, but we have a drone and it's ready to rise. We'll try to show you a part of beautiful Colorado from above. That would be Pikes Peak, Woodland Park, Cheyenne Mountain, and the red ridges that frame the front range. This road gives us altitude. It's the vantage point and access to Colorado's quiet grandeur the way we see it every time we cross that ridge. And after the first drone flight, we have to take a second leap, and Roger will take us there quickly. Roger rolls in for another about 30 minutes deeper into the Rampart Ridge Road, and as the road narrows, the views expand. We're heading towards something even more spectacular. It's an opening of the Rampart Ridge Road that gives us such a phenomenal perspective, and we'd like to share this with you. That's us. That little moving speck on the road, that is our Roger, Lexus LX470, and Tanya and me inside. Yay, that's us. And that's why we take the Rampart Ridge Road. It's not just for the drive, it's for the vantage. Just look at that. This stretch offers rare access to the high shoulders of Colorado's front range. From here, the drone can rise and reveal what few roads would ever allow us. Pikes Peak in full glory, and we'll show you what's beyond of those ridges in a moment. Roger, our LX470 has to take us there first, like Woodland Park nestled in the trees and the red ridges that frame Colorado Springs, but we'll get there. This is not just a road. This is a trailhead, but a trailhead for perspective, where the road gives way to the sky, and that fantastic Colorado sky that gives us so much. Roger makes the climb, Tanya frames the shot and pilots, and the drone does the rest. That's why we come here. That's why we film. I hope you enjoyed this episode. We make these videos for you, with care, with joy, and today, with a lot of dust on our boots and all over Roger, our Lexus LX470. If this video spoke to you, hit like, share it with someone, and don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks, and bye till the next video. See you.